Hi everybody and welcome. Today we will be discussing about how to set up multiple Shopify store locations. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So multiple locations is pretty easy. First you need to head out to your settings and you can see we have locations. Head over to that and simply click on this add location, add your name. Then you're going to add your address. Once you do that, you can simply click on this activate location option and then save. Once you put all of these fields, what is going to be happening is that, let's just say you are operating in a new city and you want to add that on Shopify as well. So that is going to be possible using this feature, and it is going to be spreading, or maybe let's just say you are opening a new branch. It is going to be super helpful in that scenario, and I hope you got to learn how exactly you can do it. It is actually pretty simple, no rocket science here. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, stay tuned, and see you in the next video. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.